Let me tell you something. Most people don't realize that you don't need a camera to start a YouTube channel. No expensive setup, no ring light, and even you don't have to show your face. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create videos, where to get clips, and how to start using just your phone. So, if you have been waiting because you don't have a camera, then this is your sign to start today. Most people don't start because you are not confident of camera, your environment is not perfect, and you do not have money for equipment. So you keep waiting. I will start when I get a camera. I will start when I am ready. But the truth is, we don't need any of that. And people are growing right now, and they started without it. So let me explain to you how exactly to do it step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Miss. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more creator videos. How to make videos without a camera. Now, this is where most people get confused. When I say create videos, I don't mean record yourself. There are actually 3 simple ways to get videos without having to use any camera. Those methods we start with voiceover and free video clips. This is one of the easiest methods. You record your voice and place it over video clips. Now, you might be asking, where do I get the videos from? You can get it from inside editing app like CapCut, free stock footage website, or even use free simple clips provided in the apps. So you are not recording anything yourself. You are simply picking clips, adding your voice, and creating a full video. The second method is screen recording. This is perfect for beginners. You can record your phone screen, show what you are recording, and explain it. For example, if you are teaching YouTube tips, you open YouTube Studio app and record while you're explaining it. And people love this because it is practical. This does not need any camera, no face, just your phone. The third one is text, clip videos, no voice. This method is even simpler. It is the simplest of them all. You don't need even your voice. You just write text on the screen and background, clips, and music. The clips, you can get them the same place I explained earlier. CapCut library and free stock website. Here, you are just combining text, clips, and music. And boom, you have your video. Many beginners think they need too much. Now, here is what you need. A smartphone. Number 2, a free editing app like CapCut and access to free video clips from inside apps or online. Start simple, upgrade later if you want to, because even without a camera, this is a niche by itself that is blowing up. You can start it and you don't need even to upgrade later because you might fall in love with it and you may never need a camera because we have channels blowing up without using a camera. Now, you don't need the best setup. What you need is showing up. Posting consistently with a phone is better than waiting for perfect equipment. Ask yourself one question. Is this helpful? If yes, post it. People don't care if your video is perfect. They care if it helps them. Focus on clear titles and eye-catching thumbnails. That's what brings views. There are creators who are not showing their face, not using cameras. They are not having expensive equipment, expensive setups, and are doing very well. If you have been waiting, stop waiting. Start now. Your phone is enough, even if it has no good camera. After all, you don't need it. You don't need the camera. You can do without it. Start. I hope this video has guided you. You don't have any more excuse as to why you're not starting. You have been postponing, maybe waiting for the right time to have good equipment, to have a good camera, to have a good setup. Now you see those are not hindrance anymore. They don't matter. You don't have, it's not a must to have them to start a YouTube channel. So follow the guide and start your channel now. For more creator videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can share the videos to other small creators and let's grow together. See you in my next one. Bye.